Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Facebook. We click on settings. On this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Facebook. And here you can update your app if you find update like this here, and then you can update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.